Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2018, right?
Yes.
Okay, this key here, we program it. It doesn't lock and unlock the door. Frequency is different. We brought this one here too. We need to reprogram it, and you know that if you want to program them, you must program all of them together. So we're gonna add at least one, but we don't want to lock it. So this customer here wait for a long time. So I'm gonna go to IMO. Be sure you have internet. If you don't have no internet, it will not work. Yes, I have Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go to VIN, auto detect. Ignition, car is running. Yeah, car is running. So now we're gonna go with this. Please subscribe, share, and like. And you have any question, if you want also this one, buy this camera. I believe is good for this two-face camera, right? What brand is this? I like this one. So we're gonna wait a little bit till everything come on. Okay. You're gonna hear another beep for car communication. See, the VIN number is coming. Now I'm gonna communicate with it a little bit. Please subscribe, share, and like. This one maybe frequency is different because door lock, unlock work. But this is yours, right?
Yes.
This is the original
This is the
one.
original, yes.
It's working.
Yes.
The other one, that's why I got a program one. %. So now, yeah, thank you. Okay, let me go to scan. I want to see how many keys here. Smart key. One key, you see here, one key. So I'm gonna go add a key. 3 steps, so I'm gonna turn the key off. Ignition must be off. Hazard light have to work. And then start internet there. We're gonna delete all the key. Place a back of the key. Okay, here like this. And then push this one. Did it. Checking network. Success. Push start button for 2 seconds or more. Ignition will turn on. Okay. Ignition is on. Now we say okay. Yes, ignition is on. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna tell you to turn it off. We're gonna wait. Turn the key off. Wait 3 seconds. Turn the key off. 1, 2, 3. Then click OK. Press and hold this. Press and push the start button once and attach this one. Okay, do it like this. Okay. Flashing 5 times. Say yes. This one is programmed. You wanna program another one? Say yes. Turn the key off. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Do it the same thing. Press and hold. Press it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring 5 times. Say yes. Program success. You want to program another one? Say no. Turn off. Say yes. Okay, take this one out. Put this one. Okay. Okay. Let's close the door. Success, everything work. Pull this one away. Good work.
You have to press lock first. Yeah.
Maybe from outside. Hold on. Unlock. Now do it.
No.
So, okay, the other one.
Starting.
Do the other one.
No.
Okay, just give me some minutes. Let me go out of here. Okay, let me see. There is a. Maybe hold on. Because we have one fault in the check engine light. Maybe that's what stopped it from here. This one here. Mass air volumeter sensor. Clear the codes. Okay, no code now. Let me see. Now everything clean. This is my key. I'm gonna try it from outside. Because the hazard light blinking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because the hazard light is blinking.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Let me check this one.
No, you're gonna do it 2 times. Maybe when you do it, you have to go outside, start it, and then you do it. Sometimes, I don't know.
Anyway, but they're all working.
Yeah, you work. So this one work.
This one worked before too.
Yeah, they work. They all gonna work. They all gonna work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.